Hi everyone, I'm going to read this story from Thomas and Friends. It's called Find That Freight. What number is on Thomas's engine? That's right, it's number 1. This is a very special book because it has buttons on the side. When we see a picture and we find the button, we can press it. See, Thomas is here and he's also up here. We press the button. We have Thomas, we have Cranky, we have Rosie, we have a seagull, we have a fish, cat, Bulstrode, Billy, Salty, and a lighthouse. So when we see them in the book, we press the button. We also have some flaps along the story that we can turn over. We might be able to see the pictures in the buttons. We'll read our story. Thomas, Billy, and Rosie are waiting for Bulstrode to pick up 3 important packages. Thomas looks around. "Where is my freight I'm supposed to deliver?" asked Thomas. "Oh my," said Rosie. "I don't see mine either." "Bust my buffers," says Billy. "My freight is missing too." "Is it under here?" "No, that's Salty." "Is it over here?" "That's the cat." Thomas and Rosie and Billy cannot find their freight anywhere. They look behind this big crate that Cranky was loading. And that was where Billy was hiding, on the track. They looked behind here, this crate with the rope on top. And that's where the seagull was hiding. They looked under the logs and it was just the cat. Thomas can't see the packages anywhere and he asks Cranky to help. Cranky says, "I can't help you now. I'm too busy." The 3 engines steamed off to look. They look around and they still can't find any of the packages. "Let's split up." "We can find the freight faster if we do that," says Thomas. "I'm sure we'll find them boxes." "I'm sure we'll find them boxes is right, Thomas," says Billy. The 3 engines look all around the platform. They look behind this boat and they see a seagull. They look behind the clouds and they find Bulstrode. They look behind this boy and they find a lighthouse. They look behind this door and they find Rosie. And then they look behind the coal and they find the cat. "I'm sure we'll find these boxes," Thomas peeped. "I'm a really useful engine." The 3 engines keep on looking by the platform, next and in the warehouse. They find lots of things, but they do not find their freight. Cranky watches. Thomas Billy and Rosie searching And then he sees Bulstrode arriving. He calls Thomas over. "Let me look," says Cranky. Cranky looks over the platform sidings and the warehouses, and he quickly sees the missing boxes. Let's see behind here. Who's this? Salty. Thomas finds Rosie and then finds Billy. The three engines rush back to their job. "You're great at finding things," said Rosie. It was Cranky who found the fright," Thomas admits. He's really useful too." Billy said, "Yeah, he's really useful too." But let's have a little look behind here. Oh, there's our friend Salty. And what's down here is a goldfish. And over here. And did we find this fish? Where did he go? I didn't see him. He must be hiding somewhere. I didn't see him in the story. Did you? I didn't see him hiding. Down here, look. There's our fish, our green fish hiding. We didn't even notice him there. Splashing, splashing. And I think our friend, the little goldfish down here in the bowl, he makes that noise too. So Thomas, Rosie, and Billy go happily along all the way down the track back with all their freight, and they're all happy, and they sing a lovely song. "They're 2, they're 4, they're 6 or 8.